Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with basic shapes to lock proportions quickly. Draw a large oval for the torso and a circle for the head, then add a center line to set the face angle. Once done, sketch shoulder and hip guidelines and block the arms and legs with cylinders so you can adjust pose without overworking details. Make sure to mark where the hair mass and the tattoo chest anchor will sit, because those bold features define Maui's silhouette early on. Now refine facial structure and body mass to capture Maui's character. You should carve the jaw, cheekbones, and a heavy brow. Exaggeration sells the demigod look, then map a thick curly mane around the head. Once the face's expression reads clearly, draw the wide grin and hooked eyebrows. Move to the torso and emphasize large, rounded muscle groups, and lightly block the giant fishhook prop so its scale reads correctly. These middle steps create the energy you'll keep as you clean up. Finish by inking clean lines and varying line weight, thicker where shadows fall and thinner on facial detail, because contrast sells form. Then add tattoo patterns, hair texture, and shadows under the chin and arms to ground the figure. Once ink is dry, erase guidelines and refine the fishhook details. If something looks off, compare to a reference on an overlay at 50% opacity and tweak proportions. This quick fix helps you maintain style while correcting misaligned limbs or awkward facial placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.